everyone. I hope you all are doing well. And this particular video is all about 5 tools or resources with respect to your stress relief journey. And remember, all these 5 tools and resources are free, so you don't have to bother too much about that. You can just go through this entire video. Before that, my humble request is, please do like this video at the end of this video, and also go and check the description and also join my upcoming webinar. So let's start with this tools exercise. So what are those resources which can really help you with respect to your stress relief journey, and it can also boost your stress relief journey. So tool number 1 is your stress relief kit. So basically, a stress relief kit is a combination of your paints, brushes, and all the necessary handy stuff which you can create a kit around that, which can you can it's easy to pick it up whenever you feel stressed, or whenever you want to do your painting session. It should be handy, which you can take it anywhere. This is this type of handy stress relief kit we recommend. The tool number 1 is a meditation practice. So whenever you are taking any painting session, or you are doing any painting session along with me also in my live painting sessions, before starting that, doing a slightly grounding exercise which can really put you into the flow zone immediately. So what happens in your entire day, you go through different incidents and different type of stress pattern you may encounter. So your body will accumulate that, so it's really difficult to bring the focus back into the painting session. So doing some grounding exercise and the meditation really help you to bring that focus back into the practice. So that is a resource number 2. Now what is the tool number 3? Tool number 3 is online resources. In the sense, there are a lot of resources available with respect to the painting sessions, but choosing the which one, that is really important. So always keep that in mind. Like, you have to work on your healing, and also you have to work with respect to the stress relief. At the same time, the tutorials and the online resources which are short in the time spent, that you can really, it can help you with respect to bring the consistency. Now tool number 4 is, or the resource I would say, it's the workshops. So taking a workshop, even in the experimental way, it really helps you to understand what is working for you. That is really important, because sometimes what happens, there are different techniques are available with respect to the stress relief, but the moment you will attend the workshop, you will get to know which one is working for you. So workshop is basically to give you hands-on on the practice. So always enroll for the workshop. Even I myself is planning my one of the workshop. You can start with that journey in the experimental way. Now resource number 5 is a podcast, I would suggest, because for the busy IT professionals, you can tune for the podcast, which is very handy and the free resources, and you can do multitasking also. For example, you are just working on some other activities, or you are at home, or you are traveling. So podcast is the best way to get in tune with the practice, because it takes only one sensory medium, so you have to just hear. So you can work on different things along with the podcast. So with these 5 resources which can really help you to boost your stress relief journey. And if you want to know more, I highly recommend to join my next webinar, and I'm also planning for my workshop. Please do go and enroll for that. And these free resources, 5 resources, you can immediately start with that. For the podcast, you can tune for my happiness painting podcast, which is totally dedicated for the IT professional, because I tell the techniques which is applicable for the busy working professionals and also for the IT professionals especially. So do not forget to check the description where you will get the link for my upcoming webinar. There is another link from my mentor. If you want to enroll for his webinar, free webinar, you can just go enroll for that. And do not forget to, with respect to your magical 30 minutes on the daily basis. So these techniques and tools will help you to boost your journey. But now it is all up to you how you are going to utilize these resources and tools to boost your stress relief journey. And do not forget to practice even you are having a good day. So please do that on the daily basis and bring out some consistency that will really boost your stress relief journey. So bye bye, take care. I'll see you in my next video.